The Mishnah in Avot says, האומר כתב ואשוב וכתב ואשוב אין מספיקין בידו לעשות תשובה. Someone that says, since I can do tshuva later on, I don't need to do it now. I'll make a sin, I'll do tshuva later. I'll go out with this girl, and then after I have a good time, I'll say, I'm sorry to Hashem. Because it's mitzvah to do tshuva. Tshuva, no, come on. What do you think, I'm Rasha? I'm going to say tshuva. Just after I have a good time. This sandwich has all types of like bugs and like gremlins in it and stuff. It looks delicious, especially with cheese on it. So I'm going to have a few bites, get full, but I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm going to do tshuva. After, halfway in it, I'm going to do tshuva. I'm going to stop. I say, I'm sorry Hashem, it was good. I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I'm going to show Hashem, I really mean business. I'm only going to eat half the sandwich. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, a jokester like this, that says, I'm going to make a sin, with the intent of I'm going to do tshuva. Like he knows this is a sin. And he says, I'm going to make this sin because I have this desire. I have a desire to have a boyfriend even though I'm a guy. I have a desire to have a boyfriend even though I'm not married. I have a desire to have a boyfriend even though if I am married. All types of desires that are forbidden by the Torah. But I'm going to do tshuva later. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Mishnah in Avot, someone like this says, I'm going to sin and then do tshuva. The punishment for that person in this world is HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, I'm not going to let you do tshuva. I think you say, wait a minute, hold on a second. We have a verse in the Torah that says Yom Kippur. Yom Kippur is every year, Baruch Hashem. It says, Yom Kippur, B'yom hazeh yichaper alechem taretchem. This is the day that will purify you. So even if I can't do tshuva on my own, Yom Kippur is going to show up, right? The Mishnah in Avot says, continues, the same Mishnah, says that person that's not allowed to do tshuva, Yom Kippur doesn't help them. He can cry until he's blue in the face. He can fast for a week straight, not a day, a week, like the Ramban. Like Baba Sali used to fast from Shabbat to Shabbat, a week straight, every week. Like Arav Kuli, the Baal Me'am Loez would fast a week. He can fast like that, not just every week. Not going to help. Why? You made fun of the Torah. You made a joke of it. Say, I'm going to sin, I'm going to do tshuva. Now, if a person fails, normal. But a person is making a joke out of the Torah, says, I'm just going to make sins and then do tshuva, with no care in the world. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, the punishment is, I'm not going to let you do tshuva, and even Yom Kippur is not going to help you. Hashem Yishmor. And the Rambam says this is one of the worst punishments that a person can get in this world. One of the worst. The worst one is, Hashem removes the person's desire to do tshuva. Meaning, it's not possible for him to do tshuva. Meaning that the other guy, it's still possible, even though it says that Hashem's not going to let it, meaning that's going to be more difficult. Point being, Rabotai, is that Yom Kippur is only intended for those people that are intending to do tshuva. If you do not intend on doing tshuva, Yom Kippur will not help you. If you show up to Yom Kippur a mechalel Shabbat, and you leave a mechalel Shabbat, you prayed for nothing. It's not going to help you. If you showed up to Yom Kippur, eating non-kosher, having a non-kosher business, having a non-kosher relationship, without an intention to change, without a plan to change. You simply are just going to go pray in hopes that everything's going to work out. Yom Kippur did not help you at all. In fact, it makes things worse. Because you're making a joke of the system. So first and foremost, a person needs to show up to Yom Kippur understanding that this special day that purifies us is only if we want to be purified. We have an interest in being purified. Not if we think that Hashem is going to do the job for us by, without us contributing.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new Be'ezrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app, full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Kol tu b'chavatzlacha.